I might have an essential problem. What's up, family? You know what we doing today, right? Essentials. Yes, sir, man. I didn't go this crazy this time. If y'all know me and y'all been on this video, I salute you. I respect you guys. Thanks for rocking with your boy. I usually go crazy, but I didn't go crazy this time. I got way too much essentials, guys. But this video was supposed to be in my flash notes video. If you ready to go to flash notes, it's where I show y'all like 15 different things I brought for the week that doesn't deserve one video. I felt like these deserve the video to themselves. It's going to be short, but I think this deserved the video to itself. Essentials came out with a new colorway that I've been waiting for. I'm still waiting on the red, but the polar blue didn't really do it to me. The cloud silver didn't do it to me. But this green here, it did it for me, guys. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. Mint leaf, man. So we already know what's going on with Fear God. Lorenzo's with Adidas. Mama always said you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing. So I will get to that when we get to that. Essentials been killing. 2 years straight, guys. Winter, fall, summer releases killing. Mint leaf is what I was waiting for, guys. So in my hand today is the mint leaf crew neck hoodie. I got it from PacSun, medium. That's my true to size, but it always kind of fits me big, guys. So if you want like a tight, snug feel or like a hoodie that hugs you and you wear medium with Fear God, I suggest you go down to maybe a small. Because look at the medium, guys. This looks like a large, man. So remember that. But in my hand is the crew neck hoodie in that mint leaf colorway. We got the black limousine tinted bag. You know, sometimes we go sandy or they go like the grayish. I love the black, man. And you already know how, if you own it, you know how flimsy these zippers is, man. So be careful. They pop right off. But let's get to it. Look at this colorway, man. I was kind of hoping that it rocked with my April SB Dunks, but it looks a little darker out the package. But look at this, man. This is fire. So you don't get the big essential words. You just get the little thing here that you usually see like on the crotch of the sweats or on the back of the hoodie. But it's there in black. And it reads Essential Fear God pop-up letters. I wish it was a little big, but I like this look, man. Rubber feel, super dope. Material seems to be the same, if not a little thicker. I believe this is the winter season. This is a little thicker than the one I have on, guys. Besides that branding, you don't get anything. It does look like they took from Yeezy Gap a little bit. This feels a little heavier down here, so it should absorb to your waist. That's dope, man. Here go the sleeves here, guys. No other branding but that middle piece so far. No Essential Fear God on the sleeves. But when you get to the back, you do get that same black rubber look on the back. And this just reads Fear God. No Essential, just Fear God, guys. So the front, you got the Essentials on top with Fear God at the bottom. And then on the back, you just got Fear God. I kind of like that because he's been like very different. Like Fear God is here and Essentials is here. So this one right here, he put it together. Here go the new tag, guys. Usually the tag is gray. This tag is black. And it reads Essentials Fear God. All right, we took care of the sizing. I already told you, you might want to go down a size if you want a more tighter snug. But the price is $100, guys. From PacSun. I don't think these ones are going on sale. Not this colorway, man, because I seen one where it's gray and then the hoodie is this color, the mint leaf. I was going to get that one, but I just wanted to go all mint leaf. Yes, sir. This right here is the Mint Leaf track pants in the size large. Large is my true to size, guys. But the large doesn't fit as big as the hoodie be fitting. Same limousine bag, guys. Zip out. Same material, guys. This one doesn't feel thicker than the sweats that I usually buy. Same material, guys. So I'm not expecting this to have fair guard on the leg like the hoodie didn't have it on the sleeves. But on the crouch part, instead of having that essential look, it just say fair guard, guys. I like it, man. I like it. Bringing the two together. Nothing on the legs, guys. So we only get one piece of logo in. But this is one of those, if you know, you know. Like, you know what fair guard look like. You do get these same tags here. Essential fair guard. Men. Again, from PacSun. $95, guys. So the outfit's going to run you $195. Probably a little over $200 with tax. Depending on where you live. I'm happy they back to the black, though. Yes, sir, man. So that's just a quick review on the new colorway of the fair guard essentials. What you call it? Family tree, the mint leaf. See what I did there? I hope everybody had a good Christmas, man. New Year's coming. Get your goals together. I got a giveaway, but it's like you will have to own the trophy rooms to want these. So I'm giving away the Lickies trophy room shoelaces. Now I had trophy rooms twice. Again, if you watch the channel, you know that. I got rid of them both times. One of them I brought did not come with the shoelaces, so I researched shoelaces and I came across Slickies, man. And they website is dope. If you're a lace swapper, try them out. They're not promoting this video or anything. I just like to look out for dope people, dope organizations, and Slickies, man. So these are the trophy room joints here, man. Just like the OG ones that some got and some didn't. I'm giving these away, but you just gotta own the trophy rooms. That's all. So the first person that comment under this video that they own the trophy rooms, I'm sending you my email in the comments. Send me a picture of the trophy rooms, and we'll talk. Get your address, and I'll ship these to you free. They're yours, man. Trophy room joints from Slickies. I appreciate you all, guys. You guys got my channel fire this year, man. I've been putting in a lot of more work this year, but I appreciate each and every one of y'all that comment, like, subscribe, share, dislike. I love it, man. Like, I really appreciate it. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.